Shut up and sit down.
Essay on gardening, gardening essay for students and children in English. For many people, gardening is an addictive hobby. For others, it is a strict disciplinary measure to keep their garden neat. The garden or the surrounding lawn of a house is very important. Not only adds to the visual beauty of the place, but also allows the residents to dwell a bit amidst nature. People who are fond of plants and flowers usually prefer to keep gardens. They are also generally interested in gardening and treat it as their hobby. Gardening is a very skillful hobby and it also makes a practitioner a very patient and hardworking person. This is so because gardening requires utmost dedication and care. A garden is a very dear place for the owner. Having a garden of one's means one can stroll in it whenever one wants. Having a garden allows people to grow fruits and vegetables of their own. They can do organic and Ayurvedic plantations. Many people even carry out hybrid planting to obtain a hybrid quality of flowers and seeds. Growing flowers in the garden make it look gorgeous and colorful. They also bring a natural fragrance to the living spaces. Flowers are an essential part of the garden and add to the marvel of the place. For these various reasons, having a garden surrounding the house is desirable. However, to reap the benefits of a beautiful garden, one should also take good care of it and maintain it. This is why the practice of gardening is essential. Gardening includes the growing of plants and flowers, maintenance of the plants, and timely care of them. It is a tricky business, and whoever does not have prior experience can face difficulties in the beginning. It is not an easy task. Growing plants takes patience. Planting seeds on the ground and regularly watering it would not suffice. Other factors such as soil fertility, the surrounding temperature, the manure, etc., need to be taken care of. They also need sufficient sunlight for photosynthesis and nourishment. People who have a genuine love for growing plants can take the responsibility of gardening themselves. Those who want to have a garden but are not very interested in the gardening part can hire a professional gardener who would do the job for them. Gardeners' basic chores include daily watering of the plants, looking after their nourishment, supplying the soil with manure and fertilizers, and planting new seeds. New plants can also be grown by buying saplings from the nursery. If interested, bonsais can also be improved. Thus, gardening is an exciting activity. It does require utmost dedication, but it is worth the wait. Gardening helps person buildable hands which can look after the very minutest of details. It makes the gardener faithful and patient. Gardening also incites a newfound love for plants in the mind of the gardener. It is an investing job and requires an able, responsible person.